Hey, what's up, YouTube? Okay, I don't know how I got down 13-4, but okay. I guess that's just the life of a 10-year-old on spring break. I don't know. Dang, this don't know his head. Pass it to Kyle. Just pass it back to Kyle. Why did I do that? Go up there. Shoot that jump, boy. Don't be scared. Yeah, that's LeBron James. Like, let me back up before I get blocked. Dang, that's funny. Jennings, you got no handles. You trash now. You trash in the game. You okay? Blocking. Really thought he was gonna dunk on Patrick Ewing. Man, you got me messed up dunking on 5 players. I don't like this, bro. They be trying to dunk on dudes and jump. Like, that's retarded. Like, you're not finna dunk on a 7-footer. You act like you motherfucking Nate Robinson or something. Nate Robinson is barely over 5 feet. That boy be dunking on everybody. Well, he can dunk on everybody. Hey, just like act like y'all didn't see that. But it's Kyle Korver though. Never mind. I can't make no excuse. Yeah, Kyle Korver is pretty much the same height as him. Now he's gonna fly. You see my target fly. You know that I can do that. No, y'all know y'all game trash, boy. That's how you know your game trash. When motherfucking somebody flop so bad. And they don't even got no fouls in this game. Why do I play this? It's so retarded. I think I just play this to play this retarded stuff, bro. Cause I have no time for this. I swore that I was gonna be going outside this spring break. Man, I'm like a vampire, bro. I don't even go outside. And look at that, Patrick Ewing, you trash. You just let, man, Carmelo Anthony almost just bodied you in the paint. You are like 5 feet taller than him. Block him. What is that, man? That's retarded. I don't even care. I'm just busting threes now. Tired of this retarded game. Why do I play this? And I got Madden Mobile. The retarded stuff I play, I swear. Look. You see? Where? What are you doing, Collins? Oh my. Oh, Collins. I can't even say his name. That's how trash he is, bro. In this Kyle Korver, we got 98 3. Look at this. Look at this. Wait. Bro, I wanted you to dribble. What did you do? I tried to make him dribble. I know this game was... Look! It's freezing! How did he not steal that? I don't care if he's... How did he not steal? That's retarded. I bet you Brandon... Look, he fades away. Game lagging and stuff. I say if he made... That another game is stupid. This is really stupid. I don't deal with that. My dude scored like 5 points. He didn't even score 5 points. That's how you know he tried. Man, let me see my rivals one time. Really though. Fourth quarter, we're losing. I don't care about him. Okay. I swear, if we lose, I'm gonna stop playing this game forever. I'm gonna shoot myself in the face. Period. I don't care. I just don't care anymore. It's the most retarded fucking thing. It really do be retarded stuff. That's retarded. When all it's doing is lagging. Look. Look. Like, look. Look. Who is that, bro? Bargala? What is Bargala, bro? What is that? That's a Bargala. I don't know what that is. Bargadone? What is Bargadone? Eric Bledsoe, no, he trash. I don't even know why he in the NBA. All he do is got handles. He barely got those. If Eric Bledsoe didn't have handles, he'd be straight trash. I don't like Kyrie, but without handles, Kyrie would kind of be straight, but he won't really do much. He wouldn't have much. He'll probably at least 18 points a game. He won't have as much impact. Steph Curry, all he do is cheese threes. He just throw threes up. I don't understand with the Warriors. I think they just be drawing up plays and say, throw a three up. Period. I don't even care. Just shoot. That's what I'm pretty much saying. That's exactly what Steve Kerr be saying. I don't think Steve Kerr is a good coach. He just be saying, throw threes up. I do not care. I think that's exactly what my dude be doing. He do not care what he does. He just throws threes up. That's exactly what Steve Kerr did when he threw threes up. That's what they were supposed to do. That's what the Golden State Warriors was made to do. Really? You see, the Golden State moving stupid screens that they done invented in the Bulls. Damn, I'm lying, because this ain't even the real Bulls team. This over here ahead. This game is trash. I didn't pass it to him, bro. I passed it to Kyle Korver, and it went to Tobias Harris.